The always on display feature is available after 14 Pro and 15 Pro and newer models running iOS 16.1 or later. So here is how to enable it on your iPhone 15 Pro running iOS 16.1. Firstly, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Then inside the Settings app, scroll down and select Display and Brightness option available there. Then, once inside the Display and Brightness, again scroll down till the bottom unless you see Always On section available there. Once you see it, simply tap on it. If you don't find it, then scroll down. Now, under this section, you will have to toggle the switch on. This will activate the always on display, allowing your iPhone screen to remain on, showing the time, widgets and notifications without fully illuminating the display. We can also toggle off the notifications option available there. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.